Sanye Nagasa, the Ola commander who surrendered a few days ago to the Ethiopian government, is turning into a nightmare for the Oromia regional government employees. Welcome to my views and news. Thanks for watching the channel. Good to be with you. Two main news stories in this video. Firstly, several Oromia government employees they have lost their lives in the last few days. Sunny Nagasa, the Ola commander who split with the Oromo Liberation Army, is being accused of the deaths of these Oromia government officials. Second news story is about the strike announced by the Ethiopian health professionals. I have three updates for you about this strike. Let's start with the news story about the Ethiopian health professionals. Firstly, the Ethiopian health minister appeared on national television last night. Makdas is the name of the lady, and she claimed everything is under control. The issues are being solved. There is no crisis. Now, everything is not under control. Makdas definitely is not speaking the truth. We confirmed yesterday several main hospitals remain closed. Families of patients protested at Black Lion Hospital in Addis Ababa. 4 or 5 hospitals in Addis Ababa saw disruption of healthcare services. Several other hospitals also saw disruption of healthcare facilities. Situation not fully under control. We cannot trust these government officials because you know that they say that in Amhara region everything is under control. There is no security crisis there, but we know that humanitarian situation, security situation in the Amhara region has been deteriorating for the last 2 years, but they never acknowledged it. Rather, they make big claims. They say 90%, 98% of Amhara is under government control, which is not true. Second update about this strike by the health professional is that today the administrators of the hospitals have called meetings of the employees, and the Ethiopian Health Professional Association is urging the health professionals to boycott the meeting, saying that no one should attend the meetings. Let's see what happens today. Will the meetings be held? Will health professionals participate? Probably in coming videos. Third update about this strike by doctors is alarming. The Ethiopian Health Professional Association, which is the main body behind this full strike, is threatening other doctors. EHPA, Ethiopian Health Professional Association, issued a statement last night. It threatened Addis Ababa Health Center employees because some of these employees did not go on strike. They are doing their job. They are on duty. The EHPA threatened these health professionals who are on duty. In a statement, it said that these health professionals who are on duty, they are responsible for the imprisonment, for the problems being faced by other doctors. Other doctors who are on strike, they are being arrested, they are being intimidated. And basically, the doctors who are not joining the strike are responsible for that. If they join, if all of them join hands, government won't be able to harass doctors. So these doctors who are on duty, they will have to pay the price. They'll have to face the consequences. It's an alarming statement. EHPA is threatening other doctors, which should not happen, by the way. Other doctors have every right to boycott this strike. Why are they being threatened? I mean, government is threatening EHPA. EHPA is threatening other doctors. Now, a second news story, alarming news story from Oromia about an Ola commander, Sanye Nagasa, who is now a training instructor. A nightmare for Oromia government employees. His name is a nightmare for Oromia government employees. Around a month ago, less than a month ago, Oromia government announced that all government employees, Kabale level, Warada level, will have to undergo a military training, 45-day long military training. Why? To protect themselves from attacks by the Oromo Liberation Army, by other armed groups. By the way, this strategy is very flawed. You cannot prepare fighters in 45 days. You cannot teach people how to defend themselves against skilled, trained Ola fighters through a training of just 45 days. Do you expect everyone in the Oromia government to be armed? How can they protect themselves without arms? So training is meaningless for me. The government ordered all Oromia government employees to undergo the training. Training started at Awash Bishola Military Training Center. This training center is located in the Oromia region of Ethiopia. Around 17,000 Oromia government officials, lower level, were told to undergo this training. This training center, Awash Bistola, is located in an area which is very hot. These days, this area is very hot, just like Sawa type, you can say. Not like Sawa, but Sawa is also in an area which is very hot. Climate conditions very challenging there. Saniye was asked to train these Oromia government officials. Saniye is an Ola commander, former Ola commander. He tried to train these Oromia government officials the way Ola fighters are trained. He asked these Oromia government officials to walk 90 kilometers every 24 hours. 90 kilometers in 24 hours. It was mandatory for every government official who reported at this training center for the training. Some of these Oromia government employees are in their 50s, and some have serious health conditions, diabetes, heart related issues, etc. 2 government officials died on day 1. 6 have died so far. The training, which was set to go on for 45 days, has been shortened to 30 days. Now, it will end on the 29th of May. 29th of May is the last day of 30-day training. 6 have died so far. And the participants, some are fleeing. Around 200 fled the training center because of the way the training is being conducted by Sanye Nagasa. These 50, 55-year, 45-year-old Oromia government employees cannot be trained to be Ola fighters. Ola fighters are in their 20s, 30s. Mostly, they are young men, and they are trained for months. Then their deployment is also a part of training. So they know how to survive. These government officials have been working in offices for years. Why do you expect Ola type stamina from them? It's cruelty, I would say. But no one can say no, because if people oppose this military training, they will be accused of supporting Ola. They'll be portrayed as if they are Ola supporters, Shani supporters. Sani Nagasa should change his ways of training Oromia government employees. By the way, why is that only Wareda level, Kabyle level officials being trained? Shimalis FDC should also be trained. Shimalis is the president. Isn't he in danger? Shouldn't he be equipped to defend himself? Training should start from regional level. All regional assembly, Oromia regional assembly members, all Oromia regional government ministers should undergo 45-day training under Sani Nagas. And after that, Wareda and Kabyle level officials be trained. But these government officials of regional level, they are just making decisions, sitting in offices, and the lower level officials are suffering and dying. Thanks for watching.